This is lot 200, a Lagun FTV-4 vertical milling machine. It has power feeds in X, the longitudinal, Y, the cross, and has a power knee feed, as well as power quill feed and a variable speed spindle. It has a 40 taper with a quick switch collet nose. I'm going to try and run it now. Spindle running, variable spindle speed. Brake. The power feeds. Your feed rates are down here. This should be for right to left on the table as long as I have normal engaged. That's the power table feed on the longitudinal. Reverse. There is a rapid. Standard. Normal. Make sense? Then we have the knee feeding up. Rapid. Normal. Feed rates. Then I have cross feed. Rapid, normal, the other direction. And rapid, normal, off. And that is the FTV-4 Lagun vertical mill.